Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Writingmate AI, a tool that's trying to do something very ambitious in the AI space, and that is becoming an all-in-one AI workspace. Instead of just being another chatbot, it claims to give you access to hundreds of AI models, writing tools, image generators, automation features, and even workflow integrations, all in one platform. But the real question is Writingmate actually the ultimate all-in-one AI tool, or just another overloaded AI dashboard? Well, let's get started. Writingmate AI is best described as a multimodal AI platform. Now, what does that mean? Instead of relying on just one AI like ChatGPT, Writingmate brings together over 200 models of AI from different companies, including OpenAI models, Claude, Gemini, Mistral, DeepSeek, and more, and puts them inside a single interface. So rather than switching between tools or paying multiple subscriptions, you basically get one platform, many AI brains, and one subscription system. And the idea is simple but powerful. Different AI models are good at different things, so why not use the best one for each task? So instead of thinking of it as just a chatbot, think of it more like an AI control center for productivity. That is why many users describe it as an AI toolbox rather than a single AI tool. Let us talk about the main features. Multimodal AI access. Yes, this is the heart of Writingmate. You get access to models like GPT-based models, Claude models, Gemini models, and even open source models like Mistral and DeepSeek, and you can instantly switch between them or compare responses. AI model comparison. Yeah, this is a standout feature. You can type one prompt and get responses from multiple AIs at once. So instead of guessing which AI is best, you can actually see the difference in real time. AI writing and chat assistants. Like most AI tools, Writingmate can write emails, generate blog posts, create marketing copy, brainstorm ideas, and summarize content. But the advantage is that you can choose different models depending on tone or quality. Then there's also the file, chat, and document analysis. You can upload PDFs, document, and text files, and the AI can summarize, explain, or extract information from them. This is useful for students, researchers, and professionals. Then there's the web search integration. Writingmate can pull real-time information from the web, meaning it's not limited to old training data. Image generation. It also supports image creation using models like DALL-E style models, Stable Diffusion, and Gemini's Nano Banana, so you can create visuals directly inside the platform. Then there's AI agents and automation. One of the more advanced features is the ability to create AI assistants that can handle repetitive tasks, follow instructions automatically, and act like custom workflows. This pushes Writingmate closer to an AI productivity platform rather than just a chatbot. Now let us talk about the pricing. That's the elephant in the room. Writingmate generally offers a tiered subscription model. There is the Pro plan at $16.67 per month and $200 round figure when billed yearly. And there is the $36 per month for the Ultimate plan, billed yearly at $432. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Writingmate? First is all-in-one convenience. You don't need to switch between ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and other tools. There's a massive model library. There's also a model comparison feature and productivity features as well, like file uploads, web search, assistant, and automation. There's also good value for power users. If you use multiple AI tools already, then this can replace several subscriptions. How about the cons? It can feel overwhelming. The usage limits still exists, even on the paid plans, and everything runs in browser, so no offline use. If you only use one AI occasionally, then this may be overkill. So having considered all this, is Writingmate the ultimate all-in-one AI tool? Well, the honest answer is it depends on how you use AI. If you're someone who uses multiple AI tools daily, you write content, codes, or does research, you want model comparison and flexibility, or you work heavily with AI workflows, then Writingmate is actually one of the most popular AI hubs available right now. But on the other hand, if you're a casual user who just asks simple questions or writes occasional content, then it might feel too much and it might be complex for your needs. And that's it on Writingmate AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore ChatGPT, pool by Quora and Notion AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.